Chapter 4, Section 7. Get back here. More comparing fractions. So, they show these different ways. If the denominators are the same, well, 7/9 is greater than 6/9. That's all you worry about. If the numerators are the same, then, the smaller, like 3/4 is bigger than 3/5. You can compare them to a half. This is more than a half. This is less than a half. This is close. This is closer to 1, than this is. So, or you can rewrite with common denominators, like this is times 4 times 4. This is 12/20 times 5 times 5. This would be 15/20. But the way that one of the numbers aren't real big numbers, this is a nice way, is Chris, which is at this angle, 14, and cross is 15. 14 is less than 15, so 2/3 is less than 5/7. That's when I showed you in your book. Has finally shown you it now. They call it cross multiply to compare. Here I'm showing it as crisscross. Anyways, 49, and here's 45. 49 is bigger than 45, so 7/9 is greater than 5/7. I call it crisscross, but they call it cross multiply to compare. Anyways, this one's closer to 1 than this one. This is bigger. These are equal fractions. This is just times 4 times 4. These are proportional. There's proportions when a fraction equals a fraction. They both reduce to 1/4 here. Times 4 going vertically. This reduces to 1/4. This is 1/4. Number 9. This would be 0.7, 7/10. That's 4 times 3 and 5 times 3. The 3's cancel. This is 4/5 times 2 times 2, which is 8/10. This is 8/10, so 7/10 is less than 8/10. So, I think money here, that's 75 cents. And here I'll multiply it by 4 to get over 100. That's 80 over 100, which is 80 cents. 75 cents is less than 80 cents. So here I did the long division way. This, to me, one of the worst ways, especially when it's tough. You could have cross multiplied, would have been faster. 156 and 152. So 156 is greater than 152. But here I did my long division. I'm just dividing out to a place where they're different. They're both 6's, and then here that's 3 and that's 1. So 63 is bigger than 61. So this fraction is bigger than that fraction. Comparing cats to other animals, times 5 times 5, that's 5/15 and 4/15. So more cats, they choose more cats than the other. Every row to have common denominators. Could have Chris 15 and 12 and that way. This is 10 and that's 9. So 2/9 is greater than 1/5. And this is 90 and 96. 90 is less than 96, so 9/12 is less than 8/10. Anyways, that reduces to 3/4, and that reduces to 4/5. 0.75 and 0.8. I wouldn't do this method, or I wouldn't do this method. This is less than a half, and that's more than half. I mean, this is obviously, here I did it, but I would have just less than half, more than half. Right, so there you go. Hope you're having a great day.